Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters, and today we're going to take a look at our new armrest for the 49 through 51 cars and the 51 through 56 trucks. These armrests fit and function just like the originals, providing that authentic look and feel. Each set comes as a pair, including one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. What sets these apart from our unupholstered versions is that they're already molded and ready to use. No additional work is needed. They feature a sleek black grain textured finish. You can install these right out of the box without any upholstering. They come complete with the correct screws and will work with the original style door panels. But just a heads up, if you're using a thicker aftermarket door panel, you might need longer screws to attach the armrest securely. You can find this armrest and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to stay up to date on our latest releases. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X.